Hello and welcome to another video of Excel Academy. CS course has got international recognition and I'm very happy to be sharing this news with you. Yes, this is good news for all the CS students who are doing this course. If you are feeling this course is so difficult, I don't know what is the future, this video is going to help you to understand that. Yes, so we got international recognition for CS Executive and CS Professional by UK NARIC. So what is this UK NARIC? So it is nothing but the National Recognition Information Center for the United Kingdom. So all of you know that UK is one of the leading countries in the world, and then we have the UK NARIC. So what this UK NARIC, what they do? So this is very important for us to understand and why this recognition is so important and so useful for CS students and CS members. So this is the UK NARIC website. You can refer it yourself also. So UK NARIC, what it does is that it advises on academic and professional courses of 190 countries. So 190 countries means this organization, which is UK NARIC, is definitely something that they know what they're doing and one of the best in the world with respect to advising on academic and professional courses. So what did UK NARIC do in relation to our company secretary course? So what we have to understand is that UK NARIC or the UK NARIC, they have evaluated and compared the CS Executive Program and CS Professional Program with UK and the UAE education system. To understand that if you do CS in India, what is the value in CS in other countries like in UK, like in UAE or in other countries? So to start with, we have done the comparison for UK and UAE by UK NARIC, which is the organization which is for 190 countries. They will evaluate the professional courses. So now we know what is the value of CS in India very well, but then what is the value of CS in UK, UAE and in other countries? So that is why this recognition is useful for us to understand that. So what did they conclude? So what the ICSI did is they have joined hands with UK NARIC. They have evaluated CS course, what is its value, what is the formula of how the exam is conducted, what is the standards, everything they have done. And then they have come with a wonderful conclusion. Now if you do CS Executive Program, just if you do a CS Executive Program, it equals to RQF level 6, that is Bachelor Degree Standard in UK. This is very good news. So now we have to be very proud. Even if you just do CS Executive Program, you are equal to Bachelor Degree Standard in UK, that is RQF level 6, which is very good. Then if you complete CS Professional Program, it is equal to RQF level 7 in the United Kingdom, that is Master Degree Standard. So if you do professional program, it is equal to Master Degree, not in India, in UK. So what is RQF? Regulated Qualification Framework. So it is a regulated qualification framework which they have devised. So if you do CS Executive Program in India, it equals to RQF level 6 in UK, which is bachelor's degree. If you complete CS Professional Program, it is equal to Master Degree in UK. Then also for UAE, so in UAE, that is QF Emirates, that is for United Arab Emirates, the formula is there. So if you do CS Executive Program in India, it is equal to level 7 in UAE. If you do CS Professional Program in India, it equals to level 9 in United Arab Emirates. This is extremely good news. So what does it mean to you? You are a CS student. So what does it mean to you? So what it means to you now, because of this recognition, we have newer opportunities for CS students, newer avenues, especially in foreign countries. So till now, the recognition was not there. Now we have the recognition and opportunities to work abroad. You can even work abroad now. Then international recognition and respect for the CS course and the CS students. Then further studies in foreign countries. So if you want to do further studies in foreign countries, so now it is easy. And if you want jobs in UAE, now it is going to be very easy. You can tell if you have done executive program, I have done the level 7 as per UAE. I have done CS Professional Program equal to the level 9 in UAE. So getting jobs in UAE is going to be easier because of this recognition. So this is extremely good news, and I wanted to share this with you. This is just the beginning for CS to become a global profession, and this is a good development, a good beginning. The recognition will give many future benefits. So this is just the first step. As we go further, ICSI is also going to work very hard, and we're going to get many more international recognition, because the first one is difficult, but once we get the first one, others will also recognize this wonderful profession of company secretaries. So future is very, very bright for CS profession. I request all of you to study very hard and do very well in your exams, because now you are not just CS, which is known in India, but you have international recognition. You are a international governance professional, and that is the good news which everyone we should understand. So we have international recognition now. Yes, and for more videos, subscribe to Excel Academy, and you will get regular updates on all aspects relating to company secretary course and the subjects.